Okay, here is another example that we're going to solve, and in this method we're going to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. Now for example, if you have 4 whole 1/6 minus 2 whole 2/3. Okay, just to remind you here that how we convert a mixed number to a improper fraction. For example, if you're going to take this number for first mixed number 4 whole 1/6, the method is to, when you're going to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction, we multiply denominator and the whole number, alright, and then whatever the answer we get, we are going to add the numerator to it, alright. So here if you're going to convert this, you will get 6 fours are 24 plus 1 is 25. So this mixed number is same as this improper fraction 25/6. 4 whole 1/6 is equals to 25/6. Both are having the same value. This is given, the first one 4 whole 1/6 is given in mixed form, and the other one is in improper fraction. Alright, so in this question we are going to convert the mixed number to an improper, and then we are going to do it. Alright, so let's do it now. Over here, first of all, we are going to convert this, for multiply this and add it. Multiply denominator and whole number, add numerator. 6 fours are 24 plus 1 25/6 minus 3 twos are 6 plus 2 8/3. Now you can see that both of the fractions have different denominators. So when we have unlike denominators, in first one we have 6, in second one we have 3, so we make them equal by multiplying. You can multiply the smaller number by any number, so you get the bigger number over there. So we can make the smaller one equal to 6, right? We can multiply 3 by 2, so we will get 6, right? So now you're going to get 25 6th minus 8 twos are 16 and 3 twos are 6. We're going to rewrite and then we're going to subtract. Now you have same denominators 6 and 6 in both the numbers. So 25 minus 16 you will do, you will subtract numerators only, you will get 9/6. Now 9/6 is again, this 9/6 again an improper fraction. So what we're going to do, first of all we are going to try to reduce it. We can see both of the numbers have a common factor. These both 9 and 6 can be divided by 2. So we are going to reduce them first by dividing by 3, because both can be divided by 3. In the table of 3, when do we get 9? 3 3s are 9. In the table of 3 we can get 6, 3 2 times 6. So now 3 upon 2 is again, now you can see it's an improper, because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we are going to divide it and we'll get the answer in the form of a mixed number. So when we get 3 upon 2, we are going to divide 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 is left. So now you're going to write this in the form of a mixed number. So your answer will be 1 whole 1 upon 2. So for question number 4, you're going to do the question A and B like this. Alright, thank you.